So here's how we can edit Reels in Instagram on your Android. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe and become part of the community so you never miss anything important. So it comes down to where you want to perform the edits. Me personally, at least, I'd like to capture all of the videos through my camera, the built-in app, and then perform all of the edits, put it all together into a video editor, using, for example, CapCut or LumaFusion gets the job done for me. But I know a lot of people who want to perform the editing through Instagram, and there is a way to do it because you can open up the app, go to the new creation page, tap the plus button, and you can see that we have the ability to just go to the Reels or upload the videos for the Reels, right? So you can see that's kind of how you can do it. You can perform the edits right inside of the Instagram, and this is where it gets interesting because you can perform all of the different things like adding music or adding text, some effects. You can even use the microphone icon to perform edits, to add your voice in here, and so many other options like the closed captions can be added in here, or adjusting so you can see that it kind of literally opens up a video editor within the Instagram. So you can add the clips even here, or add audios, whatever. So it kind of works very nicely, and it's built in to the Instagram application. So I know a lot of people want to edit the Reels in here, and that's how you can get there, right? So you start with one video, then you can import another one, you can trim it, you can add different audio, different text layers, you can adjust the speed, right? So you have sort of a video editor built in directly to the Instagram app, and that's how you can use it. Once you're ready, you're going to just click on proceed, and you can just directly publish it to the platform. So if that was the thing that you were wondering about, I know a lot of people ask me about how they can access it and use it. So hopefully I managed to give you at least a little bit of a rundown of how it works. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.